Lamidi from justvideomarketing.com. Welcome to today's video. This is the third in a series of videos that I've been shooting regarding how to basically add and create a custom end screen and basically amend that screen in YouTube in Camtasia before you upload it to YouTube. So once we've uploaded once we've uploaded the video, you'll come across this screen, and here is where you have to add your own videos. So what I've done is for previous video, I've just added one of my videos from before, and I've also added a playlist as well. Let me see if I can actually show you. So basically what I did is I just dragged the videos into, as you can see, I just dragged the videos to where they need to be in the in the circle that we created, and I also added a subscribe button as well. And yeah, that's really it. So once we've done that, we can just save, and we just do next, and we've got no copyright issues, and that's it really. Let me see if I can go back and actually show you how I did it. So if I go back one step, so once we get here, we come here, and this is what we need. We need to add an end screen. So all I did is edit, and as you can see, at one point there will be a line marked here, so you can just add your videos as you wish. I also added this as well, and yeah, that's it really. There's no as you can see, that's a playlist, and basically this is much more attractive than what you get with YouTube in terms of end screen. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you've got any questions whatsoever, please drop me a comment, and do remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button so that I can notify you once I do more of these videos. So with that said, thank you and enjoy your day.